All right, so I was working on the Prospector earlier, and these are the AEV bezels for these, the Gen2 6.7 inch. These are the longer range guys. They worked out pretty nice. Requires a 1 5/8" piece of square stock underneath, with probably some washers and whatnot. All welded up. We're gonna have it done in aluminum, tighten them up. And then now I've got the Vision X JK brackets here for lights, and I've got the smaller cousin of these big beasts. So, and they're going to be going up on my A pillars up here, and then I've got some yellow lenses. If you use these lenses too, Vision X gives you a better warranty.